Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
I'm here to support my children because the suffering is too much. We have to take our country back because the people that are ruling us, they are not Nigerians. We've been suffering. Our children, they've gone to school. After passing out from school, some of them have their first degree, second degree, no good job. So we are here to support Peter Obi and Dati so that we have a new Nigeria. That is why I'm here as a grandmother. So I've not regretted this work I did today. I'm so impressed, and I pray that God will continue to be with us. So at the end, Peter Obi and Dati will be our president. And there will be a change in Lagos State as well. This is our prayer through Christ our Lord.
We have decided to follow Peter. No turning back. No turning back. We have decided to follow Peter. We have decided to follow Peter. We have decided to follow Peter. No turning back. No turning back.
My name is Tokumbo Paul Anyelola from Mushin, Constituency 2. The reason we are here today, we are here to let the world know that we are supporting Obi to run for presidency election under Labour Party. Obi has been a great man. He's a man of integrity. And I was given the opportunity to run for House of Assembly without collecting 1 naira under Labour Party, Mushin, Constituency 2. So I think Obi should be the best person. If you look at it today in Nigeria, this is a car of 2003, a car of 2005, 2007, to up to 2010. We are paying 1.1 million naira for clearing. How are you going to cope in this country? This is the time we need to change this country. This is the time we need Obi to become our next president. That's the reason why I'm here today to support Obi. Because how many people can afford to buy car 2003? How many people can afford car to buy 2013? The big men are driving car 2017, 2018, but we poor men we cannot afford to buy car 2013. So now the custom duty have increased, and without giving any good reason. So that's the reason why I came out today to support Obi, and I'm going to fight for Obi. I'm going to support Obi with all my integrity to make sure that he came to power in 2023 by God's grace.
I'm from Ifakojaye, and I want to wish every Nigerian happy independence. And I want to use this opportunity to tell every Nigerians that Obi Dati is the right candidate that we should vote for. We should buckle up as a good citizen of this country to make sure we cast our vote for Obi. This is a new beginning. It has come to everybody that we should use this as an opportunity to change the system. We are making sure as a good citizen and the youth of this country to make sure our vote counts. Let's take out this bad government and bring in Obi so that this country will be a better place.
We are youth. Now we get them. Now we want to go there. We don't want to use age again. Yeah. After Lord is what? Is us. Let you alone. Our local. See my people now. See now. See my people. See my people. Now we be rigging tone. No more say. Now we be many person who want vote. I'm so sweet, so good, I'm so happy. See my people. They are guiding with Obi. Yeah. See my son and my son Yoruba. We are here to campaign for anything that you are seeing. Lagos, you have tired us. Everything is fast. Do you want to die? No. We don't want to die, but I want to go heaven. But heaven is not sweet to go.
My name is Okweri Sunday. I'm a Benue citizen, a graduate of Federal University of Agriculture. I've graduated since over 5 years, there's no job. Each time I complain, they say I should go and learn trade. I saw trade before I went to school. Because of the first system of government we have in our country, each time we talk, they complain. We don't want to complain. OBIDIENT is the man. OBIDIENT is ordained by everybody. OBIDIENT is everybody's choice. INEC, this is my message. Allow God to use you wisely. Allow God to use you wisely.
Tijani Otaru lórúkọ mi from Kogi State. Tí sign tọ́lọ́ ti kó alẹ́ ni a ti rí pé today is October 1st ọjọ́ ìmìnira, so a ti rí sign pé Ọlọ́run ti change the situation of this country. Evidence láti rí lẹ́nìí. Peter Obi is a small boy, so let him come and try his possible best to change the country, because the suffering is too much, the cheating is too much. Ìyà ẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù, àwọn ọmọ wa ò lè kàwé, àwọn kan lè jẹun kánú, a lè sanwó lé. We are facing problem. À ń jìyà àdẹ̀rẹ́rìn. Ọlọ́run ti fún ó ti rányàn sí wa tó máa change the situation wa, and we are very happy for that. That was why we are happy. That was why we are out for today.
My name is Stephen, and I am a proud Nigerian. I'm not here for a party. I am here because I believe that I can make a change with what is happening in our country, Nigeria. We are here to solidify or to pledge our solidarity for Peter Obi. You can see the youth is much active, and we are at the Maryland bus stop putting all we have for Obidient. Obi 2023 is where we come. You can see everybody very, very active.
My name is Dr. Kenneth Chukwuemeka Kabiri. Today is Nigeria's Independence Day celebration, October 1. And interestingly, it is a rally of Peter Obi and that, that will, usher us into 2023 when the election will take place. His presidency is already assured.
Today is independent. I want the Nigeria generally to use this as a reflection, because when you look at the things happening in this country, it is not pleasant. So we have to use this to make sure that we put a right person there, so that we can celebrate a good independence. Because now it looks as if we are mourning, because they are killing Boko Haram, they are terrorism, militant everywhere, and they are kidnapping. Because the security in Nigeria is porous. So Obi will be a better candidate to make sure that this country get to the top. And it will be here all over the world.
My name is Baristamba. I am the coordinator of 20 Million Alliance for Peter Obi. 20 Million Alliance is all about a national youth movement. National youth movement. We are here today, to kickstart the presidential campaign of our presidential candidates, His Excellency Peter Obi. Today being our Independence Day, we are celebrating new hope for Nigeria.
My name is Roosevelt Ngozi Mbamara. I'm here to attend the OBIDIENT rally. I am here because I'm running for Nigerian presidency through Peter Obi. I say this because by Nigerian standard, Peter Obi having chaired the boards of banks and very successful companies, and having also governed Anambra for 8 years, 2-time governor of Anambra State, he has no reason to still be who he is by Nigerian standards. So on that basis, I am here because I'm running for presidency through Peter Obi.
Obedience is better than sacrifice. Obedience is better than sacrifice. Obedience is better than sacrifice. Let Nigeria, you take our country back.
Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Atagbantagba lóde tagbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí ló ní tagbangba ó ṣe.
Àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbìn alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
Mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀, but nínú Yorùbá tí mo ń sọ, àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
Ṣé báwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni kámú láti Kilarigbo Unlimited.
Kilarigbo Unlimited ládùn ètò tí kò láfiwé.
Alárakúàrà.
Orí ètò Alárakúàrà ní àwàyè lórí Kilarigbo TV.
Mo lo ata, tomatoes, àlùbọ́sà, ẹyin, mo lo carrot, mo dẹ̀ tún fi hot dog náà sí.
Mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín Adépèlé KPK kò gbọ̀kẹ̀. Kilarigbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ká ṣe àkálẹ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́nà tí ìgbàlódé léyìí tẹ́yìn ó sì gbádùn ẹ̀.
Ọba sọ́yọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ jábẹ́sì padà, ìwọ ni Olúwa wá fàyè mi ṣe yanu.
Kilarigbo Live TV gbọ́ ń pa ẹ̀. Fún ìpolówó ọjà tàbí àkálẹ̀ èyíkéyìí ayẹyẹ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe ìyún event coverage pẹ̀lú owó tí ò gani lára. Kilarigbo Live TV ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán tíá.